Symptoms of a bad valve cover gasket. The important engine part known as the valve cover gasket, which usually consists of cork, plastic, or rubber, protects the cylinder head from both internal and exterior components. Along with acting as a two-way shield and preventing oil from exiting the chamber, it fits snugly over the engine. But what happens when this component goes bad? Well, let's find out. 1. Stains and soiling. Your valve cover gasket may need an inspection or service if you notice any noticeable staining, leaks, or oil odors. This might show a leak, which could eventually result in additional engine damage. Being watchful and performing periodic checks, about every 2 months, will help you detect leaks early and prolong the life of your car. 2. Overheating engine. Multiple variables can cause your engine to overheat. Perhaps it's too hot outside or the engine needs more coolant. However, frequent engine overheating can be the result of a low oil level in the engine, which is brought on by acute or chronic valve cover gasket leaks. Your risk of physical harm may increase if your engine overheats in a remote or dangerous area. It can also result in extensive damage to the engine area and related systems. 3. The smell of burning comes from the engine bay. The hot engine bay of your car may experience oil movement if you have a leaking valve cover gasket. Every time you start and drive your car, you will be able to smell the strong, unpleasant smell of burning oil coming from under the hood. 4. Low engine oil levels. Naturally, a leak will cause your engine oil level to drop. Monitoring your engine oil level is important for ensuring the continued performance and reliability of your car. And there you have it, folks, the telltale symptoms of a bad valve cover gasket. If this video was informative, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.